how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error on Roblox. So if you want to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error on your Roblox, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Roblox and your browser. And once you open it, you just need simply go with any game. Now, for example, I have this one. Now, if you have an option of unavailable right here on the right side, and if you want to fix that, if it says that it's due to your account settings, so to fix that, you need to just go to your settings section, which is on the top right. You will have the settings icon, go with settings or the gear shaped icon, and then click on settings. Once you're here, you need to go and select the privacy tab and make sure the account restrictions are set to off. Or you can also just go with your application and then find settings. Under settings, go with the privacy section, and here you may have an option of account restrictions are enabled or account restrictions section. You just need simply go with the account restrictions and make sure that the option or the toggle is turned off, because that will allow more control over which games you can access. Next, you can head over to the parental controls and you need to select appropriate age. In my case, I've already selected it, but you need to just go with the section called allowed experiences and choose appropriate age category based on your actual age. It's essential to be honest with your selection, as you might need to verify your age later. To further secure your settings, you can create a PIN on your Roblox. Roblox will send you a one-time code to your email. Open up the mail, find the code and enter it to confirm and save your new settings. After you have confirmed, go to the account info section. And here, as you can see that it says verified. In my case, I've already verified, but if you have not verified, just go and verify it with the code. And the next thing is, if you've not verified your age, then you just need to simply go and verify your age. You can continue with your selfie or you can continue with the ID. So just go and complete your verification. And once you've completed, it might fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.